Good afternoon, Sean with XLR8 Roofing and Construction. I'm here right now in Winter Park, Florida. On a house we are in progress on currently. Passed our inspection, guys have started shingling. We turn this around and show you what we got going on. You can see our flat roof is all done. We have our base sheet and cap sheet installed. We have to do that first and then shingles over top of that. All of our underlayments on, nailed off correctly. All our valley materials are on. You can see the guys have started laying some shingles. And around here, this is a IKO Dynasty series shingle. The color is called Glacier. It's quite a nice color. It's a darker color. It's got some browns, some blacks, and a little bit of gray in it. It's a very, very unique color. It looks really, really good on this roof. You can see it matches this flat roof perfectly. The guys are eating lunch right now. They're going to finish their lunch and then continue shingling.